QT squad? You already know it's talk to the, need to the, shove, where I'm gonna bring you the dopest, the rawest, and the realest content. So before we get to today's video, make sure you are a part of the squad. And if you are not, what are you doing? So today we are making a vision board. We are learning how to meditate and speak positivity over our life. So when we make this vision board on our phones, on our computers, or anywhere that you want to make a vision board, when we make this vision board, we got to learn how to pray over it every single day and speak life into ourselves. And let's just get into it. It's about to be.
Alright, so now you go into Canva, you're searching up iPhone wallpapers. It took me a little minute to find a wallpaper because if you know me, I'm just a little bit picky with my backgrounds because you can see some of the backgrounds in the cracks and the crevices, so make sure you pick something that you like/love. Once you found the one that you like/love, now you're going to edit it. And of course, you're going to get all the stuff that you don't want on your vision board off of it. Now you're going to go to elements. Then you're going to go all the way down to the grids. And you're going to try to find the best grid that fits you. But I chose the grid that has 3 on the top and 3 on the side and 1 big one in the middle. And then I made it really, really small so I can fit 2 on there. So we can make it like a half and half thing. Disregard me pressing the wrong button. Okay, so now that you have your grid, you're gonna just start plugging in all the pictures. Like, where do you see yourself? What do you see yourself doing? Where do you see yourself spiritually, mentally, physically? You know, just add everything you see yourself doing, travel-wise, lifestyle-wise. You can use platforms like Unsplash, Google, Bing, all engineers that, you know, have pictures and images for you that can put a visualization in your head of where do I see myself? What do I see myself doing? Who do I see myself with? What spiritual journey do I see myself doing? And it's just so crazy because we have to remember that what you put in your mind and what you put in your head is what you will start living like. So if you just feed a whole bunch of negative inside of your head and inside of your brain, that's all you're going to feed out to the world. So you want to surround yourself and protect yourself around positivity and around good thoughts and setting goals and reaching for the limit. So everything that you see on the screen now is just searching for images to go on the vision board. Just always take your time and really plan out, where do I see myself? What do I see myself doing? You have to remember that this is about you. This is a short-term or a long-term goal for you, for nobody else, something that you have to pray over, something that you have to speak into existence. So whatever you're seeing in your life from here on out, put on your vision board so we can start speaking over ourselves on this new journey. We have to also remember that in Habakkuk 2:2 that it says, write the vision and make it plain so that he may run and readeth it. You know, if you don't make that vision plain to yourself, God really won't understand. And what vision are you trying to make? So if you really have a vision in mind, make sure you find all the pictures that represent what and who you are trying to be, and who and what you are trying to heal, and who and what you are speaking over, and what you are speaking over and speaking into your life, so we can start getting on this journey of let's do it, and let's do it for real. Where I uplift young girls, adult girls, any girls that want to learn how to self-love, self-care, self-aware. We are on the journey to self-healing and loving ourselves and knowing who we are and knowing our purpose. And that is just so people can look at you and be like, oh, she bougie, she's confident, she is all that God called her to be. I'm afraid of her. So you'll see a classroom to the left, and then to the right you will see my fashion designing skills, because I do want to have a Oshi bougie boutique, so you can feel as classy and as confident and bougie as you are in your mind, in your life, and just everywhere. You got to match the physical with the mental, boo. Don't forget your subtitles. Each line has to have its own little family, travel, career, faith, affirmations, anything that you put on your vision board. Make sure you label it and make sure you title your whole vision board. Is this your 2022 vision board, or is this your life vision board in general? I titled mine my life vision board because this is where I want to see my life headed towards. I am setting goals for myself. I am writing down a vision and I am making it plain so that God can help me and I can help myself, because like I told you, faith without work is dead. So you have to put that action, and you got to put that action and traction behind what you're looking for. Vision board is done. Don't forget to speak your affirmations, speak positivity, and believe and trust that everything on your vision board is going to come to pass. And you have to pray over that every single day. Pretty soon that you remember. And don't forget, we're leveling, we're going up, we're not looking back, we're meditating, we're doing better, we're glowing, we're self-loving, and we're self-awaring. Join the party.